Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by, and welcome back to everyone who has been to my channel before. Thank you for returning. Today I'm doing something kind of different. I'm going to be poking fun at myself here on my channel. I was editing a bunch of videos this week and I had to laugh at some of the faces I make. Anytime I paused, I had a very strange look on my face. And if you're a YouTuber, I highly recommend just kind of learning to laugh at yourself as you're editing. It does make it go by much more smooth. If you're like me, you can't stand the sound of your own voice, let alone look at yourself putting on makeup. So me laughing at myself is kind of cathartic, and so I'm going to share that with you guys today. You're going to see a bunch of just goofy screenshots and me commenting on them. I do hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a like and subscribe if you have not already. Continue watching because you're going to see some hilarity coming your way. Buckle up and get ready because we are going on a wild ride of unattractive faces, and I have no idea what I'm doing in this picture. None. This one, I just kind of look cross-eyed or like exhausted, and this just starts the hilarity of it all. Then there's this one. I always make weird faces when I'm like trying to get makeup off my face with makeup wipes, and it's like, I don't know. I look shocked, stunned, or like I'm about to sneeze in this one. And I did not sneeze at all in this video. Then there's this one. I don't even know how my mouth does that. I don't even know what I was doing or why my face looks like that. And then this one, I just look exhausted, or like I poked myself in the eye, which I haven't even started putting on the eyeliner. That's why that one makes me laugh. And then again, I don't know how my mouth goes like that. I don't know how my forehead wrinkles do that on these two. I don't know how I do these things. Oh, this one's a winner. It's like, yeah, just cleaning it off my face. Got those forehead wrinkles again. And then there's this one. Again, looks like I'm going to sneeze or I'm ready to fall asleep. It's just an awkward angle also. Then we have this one. I don't know why I show you guys up my nose, but I do it a lot, and I apologize. A lot of up the nose. And then there's this one. One eye's almost closed, the other one's open. I'm just like, hey. And then this one, I look so happy, but it's also kind of a goofy angle, and it just looks strange. Then this one, hey. I don't know. I can't help it. It just cracks me up that these are faces that I can catch myself making. And then there's this one where I just look like I'm so done and so depressed and just so over everything. It's not even how I really feel, but that's what this picture captured. Then there's this one where I'm like, here you guys go. I don't know how my eyes do this. It's like one's kind of closed, the other's open, and it's just a strange phenomenon. Then there's this one where I'm like, I don't know why my lips have to be partially parted, but I noticed this a lot as I was editing, and I just could not stop laughing. Then there's this one where I'm like, look at how pretty my eyeshadow is. It's unblended and everything, but look at it. That's kind of what this one looks like. And then I don't even know why I'm up so close to the camera, and I'm like, here's my nose. Here's my nose. And then another makeup wipe face. This face makes my nose look huge. Like, I was self-conscious about my nose. Oh, there's another one. It's like I don't want the makeup wipe to touch my face. That's what that look is. And then there's this one where I just kind of closed my eyes, and they were closed for like a good minute in this video. I have no idea why. And then this, I'm voguing. Not really, but that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. And then there's this. Oh yes, I'm so sexy. Yes. It's ridiculous. Oh yeah, crazy eyes in this one, definitely. I notice this every time I do mascara, and I was just like, wow, I look insane. And then there's this, I'm looking up at what, I don't know. It's just a good picture. Just a decent picture. And then there's this one where I'm starting to make that weird face, but I'm like, not gonna make that face. Don't make that face. Oh, it's getting there. There's the face. I don't know why, but anytime I put eyeliner or bottom mascara, I make weird flippin' faces. Oh yeah, look at that. That's an attractive Danielle. My husband is so lucky. Oh yes. I look good. Yep. That's my face. Have you ever noticed that like blowing on eyelashes just looks awkward? This to me looks awkward. I don't know about you guys, but it's awkward. And then there's this where I don't realize that the eyelash fell out of my fingers yet. Oh yes, another up the nose shot. Check out my nose. Look at those nostrils. Aren't they beautiful nostrils? Best nostrils ever. Oh yeah, there's an attractive face. That's my face. And then I don't know why I'm touching my lips here. Like I have like 4 other screenshots of me just touching my lips like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Just touching them. And have you guys ever noticed how strange it looks when you pause a video and people are putting on lipstick? It just looks really weird. So these next ones are just of me applying lipstick in awkward ways. I was like, these all look odd. They do. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're a YouTuber, I suggest making one of these videos because it's funny.